If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home.
Hey fams, how are you? How you guys doing? I am doing fabulous. I'm feeling so much better, and I am just here by the fire. It's the first, well, not the first fire, but the second fire of the season. And you guys, it actually snowed. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like outside. Look at that, y'all. It is snowing like crazy. It just started yesterday, and it's still kind of snowing. Now we're getting like a little bit of rain with it. So I am loving it though. It's right for the season. I am so loving it. But I just wanted to take you guys along with me today. It's gonna be a day in the life vlog. I think you guys are really liking these vlogs, and I'm really liking them too. I'm really liking, you know, doing them for you guys. I feel like it's easier in some ways because it's not too much editing that I have to do, you know what I mean? So I am just loving it. And I am in my dining room, you guys, and it looks so good. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. So you guys have already seen it on the tablescape video, and I love the way that it looks. Y'all let me know if y'all like the way that it looks, the color and everything. It's so beautiful. But I'm actually going to be doing a few things today. I am going to get my office together because it's a hotmess.com. I have to get my desk from out of the closet in the foyer and get it into my actual office. I want to get the tree up in the foyer and just put the lights on there and just kind of start to get that ready for the Christmas holiday. I want to be done with decorating for Christmas at least let me see if I can turn around if this will. Okay, I want to be done with Christmas at least by I want to be done decorating for Christmas at least by like the 30th. So that I can do a Christmas house tour like the first week in December, because that's basically when the video is going to go up, because I can't do it any sooner with work and everything that I have to do. And then I took a day off, couple days off. Yes. Not a couple days. I took a day off yesterday. Y'all, I can't get my mind together. I took a day off yesterday because I was not feeling my best. So I took a day off yesterday and I did rest. I doctored up myself. But I definitely want to get that done and get the Christmas tour up the first week of December. So I'm like running. I'm on the move and I'm trying to get a lot of things done. So today we're going to attack my office. We're going to do the foyer, and hopefully I could get to the mudroom because it's a hotmess.com. So come along with me, you guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana. I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decors, lifestyle videos, cleaning motivation, all that goodness. So if you're interested in watching that, I do upload 2 to 3 times weekly. I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of my family here on YouTube. Definitely double tap that bell so that you don't miss out on any of my episodes for the holiday season or ever. So I will take you guys around and take you guys along with me throughout the day. So let's go ahead and attack this foyer. By the way, I'm probably not going to do the mudroom today. What I'm probably going to focus on is wallpapering. I'm going to wallpaper Nyla's bedroom and try to paint it. I do need to get the board and batten, but at least if I can wallpaper it, I can get that done and out of the way. So we're going to do the foyer, my office, and Nyla's bedroom. So let's go ahead and get that done.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high, if you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again. The Christmas spirit again. That warm place in my heart that was there from the start. I want that Christmas spirit again. I find myself wandering downtown, window shopping, listening to the sound from some street crier caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas
was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are up. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the door, we got by falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna do like a voiceover because my daughter, she was watching Yo Gabba Gabba and it was extremely loud in the background. And for copyright reasons, I just had to mute the video and do this voiceover. So in 1, 2, 3, you're gonna see my Christmas tree transform. Y'all, my lights just wasn't working, so I actually have to go out and grab maybe 2 more strands of lights As you can see, it just looks like a hotmess.com, but I'm going to beautify it. It's going to look beautiful when it's all done. So this is in my foyer, and this is my tree that's going up. I am going to be starting on my foyer this weekend, and I have so many great ideas and beautiful things that I'm going to be putting in this foyer, you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see this entire house, how it is transforming into a traditional, classic, moody Christmas. It looks amazing. It feels amazing and cozy and warm. And I'm so excited about it. So if you guys are excited about the videos, definitely subscribe if you have not, and definitely keep watching, thumbsing up the video, commenting down below, and let me know what you guys think. So, by the way, y'all look at me. I am a hot mess. I was tired. I was getting ready to go to work in a few hours, and so I was just mumbling over my words anyway. So it's good that I'm doing this voiceover. So I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. See you guys. Bye.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with